Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Mofajang hair coloring material, which is a hair coloring wax, which I want to point out is really important. Do not use styling tools with this product. It will color your hair, but if you use a hot styling tool, you'll have a mess of wax in your hair, and you do not want that. So this is the Mofajang hair coloring material. I have right here red, which is 4.23 fluid ounces or 120 grams, and this one is the white, grams or 4.23 fluid ounces. I'm really disappointed as the condition that they came in. This is the condition they came in. They came in dirty, and there's like red around the edge, and I wrote to them and they made no attempt at returning my item or giving me a new one. So it looks like someone went into this because there looks like there's a lot less product than there was, and I've actually only just tried it on my fingers and on my hand and a little bit in my hair, and this is the condition it came in. So I was not super stoked about that. However, talk about some of the upsides. It comes in blue, yellow, purple, red, white, and silver. It's a pomade that's made out of wax. Easy cleaning for a matte hairstyle. Coloring material, you can use it for Halloween, you can use it for any day, use it for a party. The fun thing about having the white is that you can mix it with the other color, so I can make the red turn into a pink. Once again, do not use heat tools with these, or you will end up in an unfortunate situation with your hair. It'll be a disaster. So a little bit about the product. Professional hair wax matte for men, women, gives hair types of hold control and shine that it needs. It's a temporary dye wax. It's kind of messy and clumpy, but easy to wash out completely with water. It's just like any other hair gel. It won't harm your hair, but it has good holding effects. May cause a hair shape, this must have been written in another country, to change as you prefer. It's easy to use. The hairstyling wax is easy color and wash, lasting and refreshing fragrance, which I don't smell anything except for wax. No damage to hair, no stickiness, not really sticky. Ingredients contain plant extracts, no scalp irritation, environmentally friendly, causes no harm to your health, and you can save more money, enjoy every day, and begin with a new hairstyle designed as you like at home instead of at a salon. So it has a lot of ups. It's super fun. I'm going to show you the red on my hand. If I can get it open. A little messy. So this is the consistency. This is what it looks like just on the hand. It's not a true bright red. It doesn't have a lot of blue in it. It looks a little bit more pink. I'm just going to wipe off the excess there. And then I'm going to show you, it actually looks really pink there. I'm going to show you the white, which, what a mess. Like I said, it really came in bad shape. I don't know what the mail did to it or what happened exactly. So this is the white. So if you want white hair for a day, you can do that. So now I'm going to mix a little white into the red and show you that you can make it into a lovely pink. So if you want a nice pink, I would curl your hair and have it styled and ready to go, and then put this color of the wax in your hair so that it doesn't, you're not going over it with heat styler. So like I said, I tried it in my hair a little bit. Didn't do, you know, it's good. It's no, I mean, if you really want to commit, you've got to dye your hair white or blonde, and, or, you know, bleach your hair and use something like Manic Panic or the umpteen different varieties of bright hair colors that are on the market. But if you want something temporary, Mofajang is fun. Like I said, not happy with the condition it came in. I'd give it about 3.5 stars out of 5. Not the most amazing product, but fun. And thanks so much for watching, and don't take my word for it, try it yourself. You always got to try everything for yourself. So thanks so much for watching.